Hey, it's Luke, and today I'm going to show you how I made this awesome skateboard and epoxy mallet. I'm going to use it to smash some things. I'd like to thank my sponsors, Total Boat and Roar Rocket, for making this happen. And yeah, while I get ready to smash some stuff, why don't you guys watch this quick little montage showing you how I made this bad boy. Let's do this. I love doing projects like this. I love getting creative. I love adding color to my pieces. And this was a fun one. Yeah, dude. Yeah, you're a goofball. Anyways, what's fun for me is adding all this color and making my own plywood. It's a lot of work, I'm not gonna lie, but it's well worth the effort. Thank you. Yeah, you got it. Anyways, look how strong I am. God, I'm so strong, right? Yeah. Boom! Exactly. Anyways, what's even more fun for me is when my kids come in the shop. This is Bubs in the shop.
You're getting it off the paper.
Drives me nuts when they kick the tripod. Please don't kick that. Thank you for being honest. Don't touch the tripod. Oh my God, you didn't touch it?
I go through it. I didn't even touch it.
You didn't even touch it.
No, but my hair did. My hair just moved it. Dad, look at me. I'm gonna touch the tripod.
He's cute. I mean, there's his hair, but yeah, I'd rather have him in there kicking the tripod than not. So, pretty cool, huh? Oh, you're missing something. There you go. Cutting this on the CNC was terrifying. I will be honest about that. It's not like if your CNC decides to just go crazy that you can go to the store and buy more rainbow colored plywood. But you know me, I'm just gonna go for it. And it worked. And it's a beautiful, colorful mess. Other thing that stressed me out, the CNC going around this screw. But, yes. Nailed it. Yeah, you did. Or, I did. You know. Look at that. So colorful. See what I mean? The color on this stuff just looks so fun. And it is. I love this stuff. I'd say if there's one thing about this project that didn't go like I hoped, or exactly how I hoped, it was this part. Okay, so check it out. I just want to show you guys real quick right here. I was trying to get these pieces together and I cracked it. And instead of stopping, I just kept going and I broke the piece off, which sucked. So I just kind of glued it back in and pressed it in there the best I could. Ended up working out great, but I didn't know that. See? Don't believe me? Check it out. So that glue up yesterday sucked. I actually broke it on one piece. So hope this is okay and fixable, and that I just didn't wait a month to screw this one up even more. Here we go. There it is. First glance, it didn't look that bad. You know. I mean, I liked touching it like that and standing there staring at it like a goofball, but upon inspection, crack here, crack over here. I'm gonna try to fix that. I got a pretty good, it's a real mess. Feeling good. I could feel the home stretch edging closer and closer as I sanded away for what felt like a millennia. And getting in these cracks and holes and all the ins and outs of this thing, oh my God. I don't plan to make another one of these soon. I will say though, one thing I practiced a lot was epoxy and plywood. And let me tell you, what I'm doing right here is the only way I found to make it not have bubbles. And I might have gone overboard, but It's worth it. I am really nervous about the next part of this project. It's my third. And the first two went okay. Well, the first one, this tape I could not get off. Version 2, it actually stuck to the melamine. The epoxy bonded to the melamine. So that did not work. It's never go smooth. Fun fact, adding glitter to epoxy makes it extra strong. I'm doing this in multiple pours because I'm using high performance epoxy, which gives me lots of strength, but you can only pour like a 1/4 inch at a time. So pretty. See it? It worked. It worked. So cool. So I'm using high performance epoxy, which gives me tons of strength. Extra strength. Strong. Strong because, let's be real, it's a sledgehammer. It can only pour a 1/4 inch at a time. 1/4 inch at a time. 1/4 inch at a time. It's almost 3 inches high. Cool. More sanding. I'm using high performance. I'm not. I'm using tabletop epoxy. I've sanded this to 320. It's a little hazy, but what I've learned is that if you just put a little top coat on it, it's gonna be like a polished finish. It's the easiest way to do this. This has been really exciting. There are a lot of little cracks in it, and I don't feel so bad about smashing it now, so that's good. We're gonna put some oil on it. Start with something small like an orange, huh? All right.
Nice. Okay, I'm gonna back up.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that hit my eyebrow. That was much bigger.
Stop.
Pineapple.
Let's take a little close up.
The mallet is solid so far. Mallet, this feels great. I'm very confident now. Anybody in the mood for some wine?
Yes.
Should anyone want some wine?
I got a grape.
Hey, how about watermelon?
Here we go.
Oh, pudding. You guys ready for pudding?
I'm gonna get
So much pudding is gonna be on you.
All right.
All right, you ready? Well, don't drop the phone.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna get the pudding off my mallet here.
Yeah, clean it up.
How about these nuts?
Hey, I want a juice box.
You want a juice box, Buzz? Back up.
No, not that.
There you go.
Not
That was spectacular.
emptied every.
Oh,
Unbelievable.
It emptied every single one.
you know, I did not practice this beforehand, but this is really satisfying. So,
Candy!
So what's it made out of?
this is made out of
Ice!
ice.
How's the mount look?
Received some damage. So here, a piece of epoxy chipped off. No big deal. Other than that, it's a little damage on the side here.
What is that, crack? Dent?
No,
Yeah.
just dents.
Dents, yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna go for it as hard as I can.
All right.
Hey, you guys watching?
All right. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Unbelievable, actually. That was amazing.
Wow! Oh my god!
I do have a bonus one. Wait, everybody back up. Leave it up.
Ooh, that are nice.
We'll talk business later, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna see if I can break this cinder block.
Okay.
Wow! Oh my gosh!
What's it look like?
No, we could not have this. And smell it. I mean, it's got some stuffing right here.
Yeah.
We did chip off some more epoxy. This was fun. This, but it's intact. It worked.
That is incredible.
Yeah.
Oh, we have a crack.
Oh, yeah, that is. Wait, I wanna see.
Right here. It's back there. Oh man, that was a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you again to my sponsors, Total Boat and Roar Rocket. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. And I think 2022 is off to a smashing start.
Well, 120 is gonna be 10, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. So that's like
26.
26, 27 feet.
Oh, who said 27?
This is fun. I hope you guys had a good time. I had a blast too.
Made in the garage.